Today we're going to be replacing the front panel on a Panelview 550. You can see that this panel has been broken, the studs are broken off, and we're going to be doing this in less than 5 minutes. On the stop clock it shows 4 minutes at the end. So you're going to see there's 4 screws on the back holding the back cover. You're going to want to remove them. It's just a Phillips screwdriver. And then on the left there you see the Monitech bezel, the LCD screen, and a keypad all together. It comes pre-assembled, so you don't have to fuss around with that part of it. So now the back cover comes off, and there's a little back trap door there you got to pull off, and just unplug a couple things, and then the back cover comes off, and there's a little ground strap there as well that you got to pull off. Once you got that out of the way, now there's screws holding the main computer board. So basically the main computer board is the part you need to keep, and just transfer it over to the new Monitech combo unit. This is the LCD on here is designed by Monitech. These parts are not Allen Bradley parts, they're Monitech designed parts to fit this Allen Bradley computer board. Right, so you remove that, and now notice the placement, the direction everything goes. Everything plugs back in, line the studs back up. And there's 5 volts that goes to the backlight. The powers the LED on the backlight for the LCD, so you get rid of that fiber optic incandescent light bulb that creates all that heat on the back that melts the back cover, so you don't have to worry about that anymore. With the LED backlight, it has a nice blue glow to it, and you'll see at the end of the video. So we're just putting the last bits together. Don't forget the ground strap. And now the final 4 screws. The video has been sped up 1.5 times, so you don't have to waste your time watching the video. You can see it's really simple to do. It solves 90% of all the Panelview 550 problems. We believe it's the easiest repair solution on the market. Do it yourself. It's the 2711-K5A5 is the one we're working on right now. But this same solution works with all the Ks and the Bs, 550s, and then the back cover. And that's it. Thanks for watching.